Before we get started with making the acai bowl, I just wanted to share some believed health benefits of acai. I am not a physician, sweetie. If you have any questions about these claims, please consult a licensed nutritionist or a physician. So here's the acai. It comes in this package. So after you take it out the freezer, you let it thaw out for a few minutes, and then you add it to the cup. And I like to add ice chips. It just makes it thicker. The instructions on the package said to add 2 tablespoons of water, so I'm doing that now. Then I add half of a very ripe banana, and then we'll use the other half later. Once you add your half of the banana, it's time to blend everything up. Then it's time to blend until everything is well incorporated. That took about 10 seconds for me, and it is that simple, ladies and gentlemen. And the last step is to add toppings. So I add the acai to the bowl, and then I top it with my favorite toppings. So I topped this bowl with fresh kiwi, banana slices, almonds, coconut shreds, and also fresh pineapple chunks that I had previously cut up. So for this next bowl, I am going to add sea moss to the mixture. Here are some believed health benefits of sea moss. Again, sweetie, I am not a nutritionist. These are just things that I did some research and I found. I would recommend adding 1 to 2 teaspoons. I think I added like tablespoons by accident. I froze it, and yeah, so I wouldn't recommend using as much as I did because it really changes the consistency of the acai. After you've added your water and half a banana, it's time to blend everything up. So the next thing I add is raw agave, And that just sweetens it up because the sea moss does have a very distinct taste, and it makes the acai not as sweet. Then I go on to add the toppings of my choice.